Hi guys, welcome back to vGenius. Today, we're going to talk about tech solutions for remote working. Past 2 years have been the year of unpredictability, giving all of us massive trouble. Some find themselves waking up 5 minutes before starting that first Zoom call of the day from home with all sorts of distractions in the background. Even before the pandemic, data has seen more people choosing to work remotely, forcing the organizations to adapt to different working models. It is no doubt that the pandemic has reshaped working, and many companies are embracing new technologies now more than ever. So what do these companies do to cope with such changes? Let me show you one example. Meet Chong-soo. Like you, he's an IT manager, and he's working for an architectural firm. And like you, he's exploring how his company can support remote working. He considers his current environment, which consists of full-time workers and contractors on different devices, and even a bring-your-own-device policy, accessing web, SaaS, and graphic-intensive applications through VPN managed by his IT team. Off the top of his mind, he's facing challenges with security, cost, maintenance, and performance. And he's confused deciding between VPN or VDI. So he decided to approach his friend Boyoung for some help. Hey Chong-soo, I'm really glad that you came to me. Let me help you on this. Let me first define VDI and VPN for you. VDI delivers centrally managed desktop image to your own device. It enables you to connect to your virtual workspace, allowing you to work anytime, anywhere, across any device. VPN, on the other hand, is similar to posting a mail. It packs and securely locks your data and sends it across the network, enabling end users to access applications securely. In fact, VPN only involves managing the network, but VDI has more to it. VDI often offers unified endpoint management, where you can easily manage multiple devices, content, and applications used by your employees daily. It also allows user profiles and personal settings to follow users across devices to ensure a consistent user experience. Most importantly, instead of storing the data on the device itself, sensitive data are stored within the internal data center, reducing the security risk. Chong-soo found this really interesting, but he's still not very familiar with VDI, and he wants to learn more about it. Sure, how about we take a look at VDI use cases? These are the 4 main use cases of VDI. Let me walk you through them one by one. The first use case, we have employees bringing their own devices. BYOD, or bring your own device policy, can bring many challenges to IT department, from installing the appropriate applications and tools on these devices to ensure the security of the devices, as well as data being used by these people in their day-to-day work. VDI can access those security concerns by keeping the desktop inside the data center, allowing the IT team to have control over the virtual desktops. The second use case would be for designers and engineers. These types of employees use graphic-intensive applications, and VDI can help them by managing and allocating GPU resources with multiple desktops while ensuring powerful desktop performance. The next group is for remote workers. Employees will have access to their virtual desktops anywhere they go on any device. They could be salespeople on the road, or field technicians, or simply any employee working from a remote location. They can have reliable and secure access to the applications and tools consistently without failure. The last but not least would be shift workers. These people often do not need designated computer, and they share devices. VDI enables companies to manage multiple desktop accounts on fewer endpoints. Workers on each shift can log into the same few endpoints, access their own virtual desktop, and do work as normal. This helps the companies to save costs. There are many different VDI solutions in the market that you may want to consider, such as VMware Horizon, Citrix Workspace, Amazon Workspaces, and many more. These solutions enable you to run your VDI in the cloud, on-prem, or hybrid environment. To Changsu, VDI definitely seems to be a better option, and he decides to approach a VDI vendor to implement the new technology in his company. He hopes that this will help his company to improve their working environment. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more interesting tech videos to come.